Welcome to the January 2024 issue of Cleaner Magazine. This preview is brought to you by Spartan Tool, maker of the most popular professional sewer and drain cleaning equipment. On the cover, step into High Five Plumbing's world, where training feels like a game, jerseys replace uniforms, and growth soars. Levi Torres shares how innovative branding, VR training, and strategic shifts turned this Colorado-based plumbing company into a $10 million success story. Revolutionize your pipe repair game with LightRay LR3 LED UV system. No more rush. Install with ease. Adjust as needed, then cure in just 10 minutes. Spartan Tool and Waterline Renewal Technologies bring you a cost-effective, stress-free solution for same-day pipe repair. Explore the shifting landscape of education and career choices. As attitudes towards college evolve, business owners find success in the trades. Discover the untapped potential in reaching high school students and reshaping perceptions. Joe Jaremko of Arco Plumbing in Miami faced vehicle theft. His response? Strategic van anonymity, hidden GPS units, and locked tool storage. Despite Miami's challenges, Jaremko's resilience and proactive measures ensure he's one step ahead, protecting his business and assets. Embark on a journey exploring the Titanic's fateful echoes in today's workplace. From vision to communication and leadership to planning, uncover the parallels shaping the modern business landscape. Navigate the seas of workplace wellness, avoiding the Titanic errors for a resilient, prosperous future. Step into the world of Dumas Pumping Service, where the Power Booster revolutionized deep cleaning jobs. Meet Jason Purcell, sharing how this game-changer tackled challenging vaults, lift stations, and more. Discover a user-friendly, versatile tool that's not just worth every penny but boosts revenue and profitability. Meet Dan Story, Operations Manager at KEG Technologies, sharing insights on game-changing lightweight skid nozzle stabilizing attachments. Learn how innovation with aluminum technology increases cleaning power, reduces water use, and transforms sewer line maintenance, proving crucial for municipalities and contractors aiming to do more with fewer resources. Learn from seasoned workers navigating freezing confined spaces. Dan, with decades of experience, emphasizes safety. Discover the hazards they face, from hypothermia to chemical leaks. Learn their key strategies: proper gear, vigilant monitoring, and collaboration. Winter challenges met with wisdom and caution for a secure workplace. Step into the world of underground solutions with industry veterans and their trusted equipment. Discover Avanti's injection grouts, Infraguard's ambient cure epoxy systems, Source One Environmental's corrosion protection, and more. Meet the tools and minds shaping lasting infrastructure solutions for businesses. Meet the problem solvers in concrete rehabilitation. Mongan Painting's skilled crew, armed with abrasive brush blasting, readies the substrate. EpoxyTech's swift hydraulic cement plugs leaks, paving the way for a seamless spray liner application. In Florida, Engineered Spray Solutions opts for SprayRock's innovative spray wall, saving costs and sparing communities from construction chaos. Cleaner Magazine is for and about you, and we appreciate your support. Give us a shout at editor@cleaner.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next month.